Hello guys, today's video I'm going to create a DynamoDB table. So let's start. So basically through the manual configuration we are going to configure the DynamoDB table. So you can see I have set the Virginia region. So once you log in AWS console, you have to go to DynamoDB table. Just click here create. Now you can set any name. It's up to your project or something. We can define something project. Sorry, project work. Okay, so this is my table name I'm going to assign, and partitioner key we have to give something specific name, like we will mention as a user ID, and short key it's optional, you can say. Partitioner key you have to assign something, should be unique, or it should be very useful basically while searching. And short key we will define some numbers. Okay, it's optional, it's you can define. Other table setting, you can say we are putting the same default setting. Customize setting we are not, we whatever the default is there we are going to use it. And just go and create a table. Okay, something will mention hyper. Okay, just wait for table creation. Now you can see it is the table is getting created. Let's wait for short period. So your DynamoDB table will be created. You know, everyone know DynamoDB is SQL, non-SQL database. So yep, you can see it is, the table is active now, and by default it's a read and write capacity is on demand. Whenever the table needs something extra space, it will take on demand and it will increase. Okay, so this is the name which is we assign, and this is the partitioner key and its short key. So this is the, as per we have take whatever the we have assigned, it is same. Now for next, there are multiple options. You can see the permissions, backup. For particular table also, or table also we can take the backup from here. Like it's a, there are some different types of backup methods. So one is PT, PITR, which is point in time recovery. So when we go to next in deep now, we when if you are preparing for exam, then it will really helpful, because some questions will come on this type of based on the backups also. So global tables replica, how you create a replica for the tables also. So it come under the global table. The monitor, you can monitor through the CloudWatch also. So you can refer the CloudWatch matrix and alarm section. Index also, index inside it is global secondary index. So we will see that next. Now you can see here are some other options also, like read write capacities, auto scaling. So it is also available. Now we are going to create an atom basically. So inside the atom we can add some atoms entry. So in the project, like user, I will assign some name, any user name which is work for your project. Like I will assign Sana, or something, Andy Wills. Andy Wilson, and the number is we can assign any 10 number. And if you want to add some more attributes, like see, I have added only two. Like suppose you want to add Andy's phone numbers, or what is its designation, or something other class like phone number, something like. Okay, we will add from here. So okay, sorry, not this one. I want to add some. I'm just putting a random attribute. So phone numbers, I will mention phone numbers. So I'm just putting as a random. Okay, 447878 means any number I am just putting as a for a configuration. Okay, now I am going to create it. Let's down. Now you can see the Andy Wilson, the number is 10 and his phone numbers is there. If I want to create some more, you can go username is like Sana Khan, then employee sorry number is 5, and phone numbers we can mention with so plus 92, and here 784. This is a random number I am putting, it's not a real number. And this is the way you can create a project list. So project item you can see this is just a normal, means you can add more attributes like what time they came, like login, logout, anything. You can in detail you can add attributes basically. So this is the way you can create a table. There are some other table like you have suppose large numbers of list for users, and you want to uh, import in the same project or any other table. So we can do that with the different types of method. We'll see in the next video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I will come with a new video. Thanks for watching and happy learning.